Hello, once again, everybody. How we doing today? Um, I'm not gonna continue with this Bud Light thing after this. It kind of like it would be beating a dead horse. Probably a Clydesdale. Yeah, you never know. Anyway, I ran across this came out yesterday. The apology from the CEO of Anheuser-Busch, and I'm gonna read it to you. You've probably seen it, but I'd like to get a little feedback on it because after I read this to you, I'm going to give you my opinion of it. Anyway, here it goes. As the CEO of a company founded in America's heartland more than 165 years ago, I am responsible for ensuring every consumer feels proud of the beer we brew. We're honored to be a part of the fabric of this country. Anheuser-Busch employs more than 18,000 people, and our independent distributors employ an additional 47,000 valued colleagues. We have thousands of partners, millions of fans, and a proud history supporting our communities, military, first responders, sports fans, and hardworking Americans everywhere. We never intended to be part of a discussion that divides people. We are in the business of bringing people together over a beer. My time serving this country taught me the importance of accountability and the values upon which America was founded: freedom, hard work, and respect for one another. As CEO of Anheuser-Busch, I am focused on building and protecting our remarkable history and heritage. I care deeply about this country, this company, our brands, and our partners. I spend much of my time traveling across America, listening to and learning from our customers, distributors, and others. Moving forward, I will continue to work tirelessly to bring great beers to consumers across our nation. And that's it. Okay, now, correct me if I'm wrong. I don't hear, I'm sorry. I don't hear, oops, we screwed up. I don't hear any type of uh, any apology. I don't hear any apologetic remarks in there. Um, so as far as I'm concerned, he never really apologized. So I would like your feedback on this because I'm a little confused about this letter. And this came out yesterday, I believe, yesterday afternoon at some point, and I tracked it down. Um, but he didn't say I apologize for the misunderstanding or the screw up we made with what's her face, um, and we fired her. I didn't hear any of that in this letter. So I look forward to kind of welcoming your opinions, comments. So you leave them down below. Um, and I appreciate you listening. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I'm going to get back to my regular stuff of, with my, she's laying down over here, my Miss Agnes. She's over here, I don't know, catching bees, whatever. Anyway, I'm going to get back to that after this because this is like beating a dead Clydesdale. Anyway, you folks have a great day, and let me know down in the comments. Thanks. We'll see you.